Step 1. Today, we're learning how dentists clean black lines that appear between teeth. First, the dentist carefully examines the black line. It may be caused by stains, plaque, tartar, or trapped debris. Step 2. Next, the area is gently dried and isolated. This helps the dentist clearly see the stain and protect the nearby gums and enamel during the cleaning process. Step 3. Now, the dentist removes the dark buildup using professional dental instruments. Stains, plaque, or tattish trapped between the teeth are carefully cleaned from the interproximal area. Step 4. After the buildup is removed, the dentist polishes between the teeth. Polishing smooths the enamel surface and helps remove any remaining surface stain particles.
Step 5. Finally, the dentist checks the cleaned area and demonstrates flossing. Daily brushing, flossing, and regular dental cleanings can help prevent dark lines from returning. Thanks for watching and learning with us today.